Tired of double bookings and missed meetings? Let's transform your chaotic schedule into a productivity powerhouse using Outlook Calendar in just a minute and a half. First, to schedule an appointment, click the New Appointment button in the top left corner of your Outlook calendar. A new window will pop up. Here, enter a clear subject for your meeting, specify the location, whether it's a physical room or a virtual meeting link, and carefully set the start and end times. Make sure you select the correct date as well. Now, for team coordination, click on the Invite Attendees button. This will open up the scheduling assistant. Start typing the names or email addresses of the people you want to invite, and Outlook will auto-suggest contacts from your address book. Select the correct individuals. Crucially, set a reminder. Click the drop-down menu and choose how far in advance you want to be reminded of the meeting. I recommend at least 15 minutes for most appointments. For seamless teamwork, consider sharing your calendar. Navigate to Calendar Permissions and choose what level of access you want to grant to different colleagues, from viewing availability to full editing rights. And that's it. With these simple steps, you'll be using Outlook Calendar to schedule efficiently, boost productivity, and collaborate like a pro. Go ahead and schedule your meetings like a pro.